Oh, God bless you, sir.
God bless you.
You too.
God bless you.
What's your name?
Lonnie Williams.
Lonnie Williams.
You remember? Okay, I'm gonna give you some history. Okay, remember? Okay, I watch TV. History Channel. Okay, abortion started in New York, right? Okay, in 1970. So where 9/11 happened?
New York.
That's judgment.
Yeah.
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 And people don't understand that all these souls belong to God.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so people just don't know. They don't realize what they're doing.
Yeah. You know, Romans 1 says that. It says that because man does not worship the Creator, but rather worships creation and exalts it, that God turns them over to a debased mind or reprobate mind.
Yeah. Yeah. And America's in trouble.
Oh yeah, we're under the judgment of God.
And thank God for grace and mercy, right? We still here.
Yeah, absolutely. God
What's
is
your name?
Ricky.
Okay, what's your
Elisa.
Okay.
Yeah, God is patient, and thank God for His patience.
Yeah, and thank God for that.
But it will run out at some point.
Yeah.
He will come.
He's coming back any minute now.
Yeah.
And then like Obama, okay, what he did, he issued the gay rights in. And because they were showing us that over the White House, they had
putting the flags and stuff. Yeah.
I said, oh my God. I said, people just don't know what time we in the last day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what church y'all going to?
We go to Abbey Road.
Over there, over the side, that way.
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
I'm a little confused where we're at too. I don't usually come down in the street.
Yeah.
Usually up there, but over that way.
There.
Yeah.
And,
down by the college.
My church is over there on the west side. I mean, over in Lorraine.
Okay.
St. Peter Church of God in Christ.
Okay.
Over there off of
Your name sounds familiar though. Is there other Lonnie Williams or other Williams?
There's a lot of Williams.
Yeah.
I'm the good looking one.
Here's one of our tracks. It's got our website on the back there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
What school you went to?
I went to Elyria West.
What year?
Oh, I graduated in 95, 96 year.
Okay, I was a third class at Elyria West. Yeah, I graduated in 78.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was born in 76.
Okay.
So it was a little later, but
yeah.
The name sounded familiar.
Yeah, I played football right here, ran track many moons ago.
Yeah.
And then I went to Edison, Jefferson, then Elyria West.
Okay, yeah.
They told out on Elyria West and Jefferson.
Yeah.
Like, really?
Yeah, it was kind of sad to see that.
Yeah.
You know, but
and I said, and then Elyria High, my niece is a principal up there.
Okay.
And I said, more power to it because I couldn't deal with it.
Yeah. Not today. It's hard today.
Oh my God! Ain't like when we were growing up. We believe in discipline and not talking back and man.
Yeah.
They do whatever they want to do.
Right.
That is so sad.
Yeah.
And I help my sister out because she gonna be packing up pretty soon. She said, "You can come and help me, right?" I said, "Really?" I said, "I gotta go. I just got done cutting grass." I said,
at least you did it in the evening time because it was hot.
Because I did my church and did another lady's yard because she asked me, am I going to do it? I wasn't going to do it till Monday, but she asked me because her husband's sick. I said, okay. And so I said, I got that with
You got a riding lawnmower? Or
I got it,
Oh, yeah.
And I got a zero turn too.
Oh, and that's nice.
And that's the one that I really want, but the rider is my backup. Yeah. So, but y'all doing a good job of it.
Well, God bless you, Lonnie.
Okay. And y'all be encouraged.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you can't start until we get there because he's coming back soon. So.
Right.
Right.
God bless you, man.